Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi all, introduce, my name is Misyarah Anis. You can call me Sarah, but I prefer to be called Ara. I am from the Mathematics Program Study at Padang State University Batch 2021, with name 210300057. I made this video as a fulfillment of an English mathematics assessment from Mr. Defri Ahmad. So, here I am tasked with making a video that talks about mathematics. The topic I took was geometry. Geometry, the branch of mathematics concerned with the shape of individual objects, spatial relationship among various objects, and the properties of surrounding space. It is one of the oldest branches of mathematics, having arisen its response to some practical problem as source found is surveying. And its name is derived from Greek word meaning earth measurement. Geometry arose as the field of knowledge dealing with spatial relationship. Geometry was one of the two fields of pre-modern mathematics, the other being the study of number. Classic geometry was focused in compass and straight constructions. Geometry was revolutionized by Euclid, who introduced mathematical rigor and the axiomatic method skill in use today. His book, The Element, is widely considered the most influential textbook of all time, and was known to all educated people in the West until the middle of the 20th century. In modern times, geometric concepts have been generalized to a high level of abstraction and complexity, and have been subjected to the methods of calculus and abstract algebra, so that many modern branches of the field are barely recognizable as the descendant of early geometry. Early geometry, the earliest recorded beginnings of geometry, can be traced to early peoples, who discovered obtuse triangle in the ancient Indus Valley and ancient Babylonia around 3000 BC. Euclid's name is often known as the father of geometry. His contribution of geometry is questionable. Until now, when we study the concept of point, lines, angle, circle, and so on, we still refer to the elements. The book Euclid wrote around 300 BC. Basic idea of geometry. What are the basic concepts of geometry? The basic geometrical concepts are dependent on three basic concepts. They are the point, line, and planes. We cannot practically define the terms, but it refers to the mark of the position and has an accurate location. Point, line, and plane. The basic concepts of geometry are theoretical and cannot be physically defined. They do not exist in the physical world. Concept: a point is a location in space. Dimension: it has no dimension, no length, no weight, and no thickness. Representation: look at picture. Point A, B, and M. Next, concept line. A line is a set of connected points. It is assumed to be straight and is determined by two specific points. Dimension: it has one dimension and infinite length, but no width and thickness. For representation, look at picture. Next, concept plane. A plane is an infinite large flat surface. Dimension: it has two dimensions, an infinite length and infinite width, but no thickness. For representation, look at picture. Example of geometry. For example, a triangle is a three-sided shape, and the measure of its three interior angle is 180 degrees squared. Rectangle or quadrilateral are four-sided shapes, and the measure of their interior angle is 360 degrees. Let's finish one practice question. Look at picture. Find in terms of U and V. A. Vector RT, B. Vector Rn, and C. Vector Pn. Solution: A. Vector RT equals vector Rp plus vector Pq equals minus vector Pr plus vector Rq equals minus U plus 2V equals 2V minus. Next, B. vector Rn equals 1 per 4 vector Rq equals 1 per 4 2v minus u equals 1 per 2v minus 1 per 4u. And let's see, vector Pn equals vector Pr plus vector Rn equals u plus 1 per 2v minus 1 per 4u equals 3 per 4u plus 1 per 2v. Application of geometry. 5 uses geometry in our daily life. 1. Construction of buildings. The best use of geometry in daily life is the construction of buildings, dams, river, road, tables, aids. For ages, geometry has been exceptionally used to make tables that hold the heritage of our country. Some of these famous tables are even counted as miraculous development done by people with primitive instruments. 2. Computer graphics. The audiovisual presentation in different segments such as education, entertainment has used geometry as a part of the art and creativity. Computer graphics is a prime application of geometry in day-to-day life. We can consider here. Smartphone, laptops, computers are designed using geometrical concepts. The games we play also use geometry to find relationship between the distance and shapes of objects designed. 3. Art. Another excellent use of geometry is how artists use the concept to design the best painting and express their ideologies. The use of color, brushes, and different strokes give birth to excellent artwork. Artists also design apparel, accessories, and other items we use. You can understand the importance of geometry in daily life. 4. Measuring orbit and planetary motion. This concept is used by astronomers to track stars, measure the orbit and distance between planets and satellites. Science also measures the focus and set the path of satellites launched. This is one of the best applications of coordinate geometry in daily life. 5. Interior design. The application of coordinate geometry in daily life can also be found in interior design. Setting new items in an open space is done perfectly using the concept of coordinate geometry. So, the geometry application is the last discussion. That's all I can say. Sorry if there are many mistakes because I'm also still learning. Thank you and goodbye.